What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have a detailed look and on-foot review of the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Washed Black, aka Jordan Brand has titled this the Black and Smoke Gray Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, but the internet has retitled this as the Washed Black. And I do see a lot of the similarities that we have seen in some of the washed Air Jordan 1s that we received in the past, such as the most recent washed pink, turbo greens, hyper royal, and also there was those crimson colorways. I think that's what they were called, with like we had this in a very light shade of gray with black medial, black toe box. I think you guys probably know what I'm talking about. But those four sneakers that I just listed were actually a part of that washed line. And this right here, this material on the overlays is completely different. And I'm just like you guys, I thought that we were going to receive that acid wash on the overlays of this Air Jordan 1, but getting into the materials that we do receive on the overlays, this is a suede that is very, very soft. And when it comes to the quality of the suede that we receive on this sneaker, it is very, very good. And it's crazy to think that a lot of people are saying, hey, these are bricks, they're not going to cop them. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Once I put these on foot, these are way better than those Palominos that are sitting right over there that are gonna be releasing in September, which a lot of people are saying they draw a lot of similarities to the Mochas. Those are gonna be the best ones of the year. And I even thought that until I threw these on foot. Quality and the materials of this and the color blocking of this, you just can't go wrong with this sneaker. But let's go ahead and get into some on foot shots. Starting with the sneaker, we have a black rubber outsole. Now moving from the outsole, which they did opt for a black, and I'm really happy that they did do so. I'm really glad that on this sneaker we didn't get a gray outsole. I really personally love the black outsole with this cream midsole. I personally think that's the one design detail that makes this sneaker really, really good. Now from the milky cell midsole moving up to the medial, the leather that we actually get on this sneaker is very, very good. Jordan Brand definitely did not skip out on this sneaker. When it comes to the materials that are used, they are very, very premium and really nice. And it just blows my mind that people aren't too excited for these. And more details about the materials that are actually used, if I can get that shoelace out of the way there. If you can't tell, these do have, you know, a little bit of crease and movement to them, you know, in terms of the leather that's used, and it's very, very soft. And this is probably my preferred material when it comes to the Air Jordan 1 that they do use, because it doesn't have too much tumbledness in it. It's not, in the same token, extra smooth. So when you wear this, they are gonna, you know, crease. Of course they're gonna crease, but what I mean is that they're not gonna show creases as much because of the materials that's used. It's not an extra smooth leather. And at the same token, it's not wrinkled, crinkled. So when it does crease, it's very evident. This is pretty much the Twix right in between. That's the perfect material. And the more that you wear these out and about, the better they're gonna get. Now Jordan Brand has called this the black and smoke gray. That would be the black outsole and the smoke gray overlay suede medials that we receive on the Nike swoosh, the ankle collar, heel of the sneaker, and also on the toe wrap. Now while we were just talking about the ankle collar, this Air Jordan Wings logo that comes equipped on the washed black, aka smoke gray colorway, it's debossed, and this is what we saw on the Dior Air Jordan 1s over the top of it. So this one's actually kind of hanging up over the top. Just kind of goes to what I've already said repeatedly about the sneaker. It is very premium in terms of what we've received on Air Jordan 1s in the past, because yes, I do know that these are not real leather. Now on the box, I'm pretty sure it does say red somewhere. The title of the shoe on the box says black, fire red, and white. And just so you know, this is the box that it does come with, a little special edition box that we do get there. But the only hit of red that we actually get is on the tongue of the sneaker there, and that's of course your Nike Air logo. And also earlier in the video, I said the only black we get was on the outsole of the sneaker. We also get it on the sock liner of this, which goes to me appreciating and liking this shoe so much more, because this is one that you can beat. You can wear it on the daily. You don't have to think about what outfits am I wearing that day, what color shorts am I wearing, what color joggers or pants. You can just put this straight to foot, and it does have a black outsole, so the more that you wear it, you're not even really going to be able to tell that they're dirty. And then if you do, you know, get dirty on the sock liner of this, it is a black sock liner, so it's not going to show. This is pretty much a daily perfect sneaker. Now when it comes to the sizing for this Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, I would recommend to stick true to size, whatever you normally go with. These fit just like all the other Air Jordan 1s, Air Jordan 1 lows, Air Jordan 1 mids. So whatever you normally roll with, would recommend to stay with that size. Now my final overall thoughts and opinions on the Air Jordan 1 Washed Black, aka black and smoke gray. This is one of the best Air Jordans for the entire year, and it just blows my mind that a lot of people just aren't too excited for this pair of sneakers. If I said this already in the unboxing yesterday when they came in the mail, if these would have released back in 2018, 2019, 2020, these would be reselling for $350 and up. And as of right now, the resale prices are hovering around $200, which is nuts. But with that being said, I do not think that this is going to be an easy pickup. I think a lot of people are anticipating this to be an easy pickup, and this one's too good to sleep on. I think a lot of people are going to to decide to pick it up last minute. But let us know down below in the comments, is this going to be a cop or a drop for you? And if you would like to add this colorway to your collection, be sure to follow us on Twitter at Sneaker Huddle. If you're unfamiliar, we always send out shock drop notifications and stuff like that, so be sure to enable notifications on there. But these are really good, and to compare the two, you know, let us know from the Palominos that are going to be releasing in September. These are releasing on June the 10th, the washed black colorway. Let us know down below in the comments which one you like better, or if you would like to check out the review, the unboxing of the Palominos. We don't have it on foot yet, but be sure to check out that video right there.